Hello, Deal Driven community. Today I want to talk about a new feature we just released, and it's called text message and email templates. What that allows you to do is to build canned messages that you send to your property owners via either text message or email. Let me show you how it works. Go ahead and log in. This account is brand new. I don't have any properties, so let's add a property really quick. Oops. I'll add 435 Faux Creek Drive, add it to my list. Switch over to my list and let's skip trace that property really quick. And there we go. We've got 2 phone numbers and 2 email addresses. So let's click on the phone numbers drop down here in my list view, and you'll see that we've got 3 things we can do. We can call their cell, text their cell, or call their home number. Let's choose text. This is where you're going to see a new window pop up you haven't seen before. It's called Message Templates, and I've defined 2. First contact and second contact. My thought here is that I want to change my message if I contact this person more than once. So let's select first contact, hit preview message, and see what it says. It says, "Hi, Giselle C." It's her middle initials showing up there, so we're going to want to edit this message before we send it, clean it up a little bit. "I'd like to buy your property at 435 Faux Creek Drive. Call me at this number if interested." Her name and this address were substituted into the message for you automatically, and I'll show you how that works. If we close this without sending and go back and edit this template called first contact, you'll see right here, this is what we're calling a variable when it has the curly braces around it, and that's owner1 first name, and then here's another variable called address. The way you insert these is up here. For example, if I wanted to insert owner1 first name right here at the beginning, I would just click this button and it types it in for you. Or you can type it in manually, but those buttons make it a lot easier. So you can make these messages as simple or as complex as you want, and you can insert any of these variables, the address, the current owner's name, which would include their first and last name, or you can break it out into their first and last name individually. We may add some other variables later, but these are the ones here for now. And then notice on the second contact, if I go edit that one, I just changed the message a little bit and I said, "Hi, owner1 first name. Sorry to bother you again, but I'm very interested in your property." So I think you see how you could create a whole progression of messages, and maybe you would create a third called final contact where you'll say something like, "This is the last time you'll hear from me," etc. So let's show you how it works. If I go through the whole process, I'm going to go back, select my first contact template for this property owner, click preview message, click send message using my device, and it will open up my text message application on my phone so that I can send the message, and it'll have that text pre-populated. Everything I just said is also true for emails. If I click here and email this person, again, I've created one template called first contact. If I preview that message, you can see the only difference between an email and a text is that you have a subject in the email. So here I included the property address in the subject, and then an additional message down here saying, "I'd like to buy your property, to call me at this number." So I hope you enjoy this feature. It will expand over time. One thing I neglected to mention is that when you do use this feature to send a text message, it will add a note to your property so you can see that you sent a text or that you made a phone call. So there you go. Hope everybody's having a great day.